If moving around has become more difficult for you or someone you care about, the right electric wheelchair can make all the difference, bringing back freedom, comfort, and confidence in daily life. In this video, we are breaking down the 7 best electric wheelchairs designed specifically for seniors. These tested power chairs are built for smooth turns, reliable outdoor performance, long battery life, and real safety where it matters most. Stick around until the end, because any one of these picks could be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Be sure to check the description for product links and current pricing.
Roboooter X40. At a starting price of $2,100, Roboooter X40 offers a senior-friendly blend of high-tech features and reliable real-world performance. Its automatic folding system activates in 3 seconds using either a button or a smartphone app, eliminating the need for manual effort. With the 20 ampere-hour battery, it delivers up to 15.5 miles of range on flat ground. Dual motors power the X40 to a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, maintaining steady control on slopes up to 10 degrees. Its 10-inch omnidirectional front wheels, fitted with 12 rollers each, make tight indoor navigation seamless while holding their grip on grass, gravel, and uneven sidewalks. The 30-inch turning radius allows smooth movement through doorways and hallways without repositioning. Comfort is strong thanks to a memory foam seat, adjustable armrests, and dual rear suspension that absorbs sidewalk cracks and uneven flooring. Its electromagnetic brakes respond instantly when the joystick is released, and anti-tip wheels add security on ramps and curbs. An aluminum frame supports up to 265 pounds, while keeping the chair balanced and stable on varied surfaces. The companion app offers speed control, battery tracking, remote folding, and 360-degree movement, making it especially useful for seniors and caregivers. On steeper slopes or with heavier users, the range may drop to around 12 miles, and the chair is not designed for rugged terrain beyond basic grass or light gravel. For seniors seeking independence with minimal effort, the Roboooter X40 delivers smart convenience and seamless indoor and outdoor mobility in a compact design that prioritizes safety, comfort, and ease of use.
Rubicon DX17. Rubicon DX17 folds automatically in just 3 seconds and weighs 64 pounds without the battery, making it compact enough for trunk storage but likely to require assistance when lifting. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the frame is both lightweight and durable, while the 330-pound weight capacity supports a wide range of users. Powered by dual 300-watt brushless motors with a total output of 600 watts, this chair handles grass, gravel, sand, snow, and inclines up to 12 degrees with minimal effort. It reaches a top speed of 4 miles per hour, ideal for both indoor maneuverability and moderate outdoor use. Its 32-inch turning radius gives it strong performance in tight indoor spaces like hallways and bathrooms. DX17 uses a dual 12 ampere-hour lithium battery that delivers a range of 20 to 30 miles per charge, though in real-world conditions with rough terrain or heavier users, it typically averages closer to 20 miles. The joystick is fully rotatable, mountable on either armrest, and responsive enough for one-finger control in tight quarters. A Bluetooth-enabled remote lets caregivers control the chair when needed. Electromagnetic brakes engage instantly when the joystick is released, and anti-tip wheels add extra security on slopes. While the DX17 lacks a suspension system, the 12.5-inch rear wheels and 8-inch front wheels reduce minor jolts on uneven surfaces. Priced at $1,600, the Rubicon DX17 offers long-range performance, strong all-terrain capability, and reliable comfort in a foldable, travel-ready design.
If Whill Model F delivers a smart, compact mobility solution built for seniors who value independence, portability, and ease of use. It folds in under 3 seconds and weighs just under 53 pounds without the battery, making it one of the lightest full-featured power chairs available. The 10-ampere lithium-ion battery is FAA approved for air travel, charges in 5 hours, and offers a maximum range of 12.4 miles, though most users can expect closer to 10 miles in real-world conditions. Top speed caps at 3.7 miles per hour, which keeps it safe for indoor use and relaxed outdoor navigation. Its 30.7-inch turning radius handles tight corners and elevators without fuss, and the front Omni wheels paired with rear-wheel drive help it climb obstacles up to 1.4 inches high,
while maintaining a smooth ride on flat ground. With no suspension system, rough terrain can feel jarring, and it underperforms on inclines greater than 10 degrees. However, its electromagnetic brakes, anti-tip wheels, and FDA Class II medical device rating ensure dependable safety. The Whill app adds standout convenience, allowing remote driving, speed control, and locking. Seniors can reposition the chair with a smartphone, reducing the need to manually reach for controls. The joystick is responsive and side-selectable, while memory foam seating and adjustable armrest between 16 and 20 inches improve comfort. With a price range of $2,500 to $3,000, the Model F is more expensive than basic power chairs, but justifies its cost with modern features, build quality, and thoughtful design.
Justhero 219.
At a price of $800 and weighing just 36 pounds including the 4.8-pound battery, the Justhero 219 is built for unmatched portability. Even seniors can lift it into a car trunk or navigate through airports without assistance. The one-step folding system operates smoothly and locks firmly, making it dependable for daily use. Dual 250-watt brushless motors deliver a total of 500 watts of quiet, maintenance-free power, supporting up to 350 pounds while climbing 12-degree inclines without hesitation. The honeycomb polyurethane rear tires are puncture-proof and perform well on gravel, pavement, and indoor surfaces without slipping. Its automatic braking system engages the moment the joystick is released, preventing rollback on slopes and improving safety for users with limited upper body control. The 12-ampere-hour lithium battery charges in 5 to 6 hours and consistently provides up to 15 miles of range, which covers daily errands, park visits, or routine appointments without issue. The battery is light, tool-free to remove, and easy to charge indoors. The joystick is highly responsive, with full 360-degree movement and clear speed control, while the integrated LED headlight enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Its seatbelt, anti-tip wheels, and accessible handbrake improve safety, and the joystick can be mounted on either side for user preference. While the frame is ideal for travel, it lacks the rugged feel of heavier-duty models and may not suit rough terrain. The firm seat cushion may also feel too stiff for extended use, and the 15-mile range may not be enough for long outdoor excursions. Still, for users focused on lightweight convenience, reliable motor performance, and thoughtful safety features, the Justhero delivers strong value in a travel-ready design.
This video helped you find the best wheelchair for your needs or loved ones? Go ahead and hit that like button. It lets me know I'm doing something right. Subscribe for more real-life gear breakdowns that go beyond the marketing talk and show you how products actually perform. Every product I mentioned is listed in the description below, so take a look, compare the specs, and find what fits your lifestyle best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.